Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and post 3D photos on Facebook. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. I will first show you on my page what a 3D photo looks like. So when you come across a 3D photo, it looks like this. When you scroll it, it zooms in and out slightly. And then when you tilt your phone, you can see that it creates a 3D sort of an image. Currently, this feature is supported on iPhones, iPhone 7 and higher. So that is 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, X, or 10, 10S, 10S Max, all of these. And I also believe iPhone 10R. All right, so first, before you can actually, anyone can view 3D photos, but for you to actually post one, you have to go and search for Facebook 360. And you have to like this page. As you can see, I have already liked it. After you like this page, you have to turn off Facebook by killing the process entirely. And you go back and you again open Facebook. You can see that it loaded entirely. Now you go back to your profile. In your profile, in the field what's on your mind, you click it, and right under check-in you can see the 3D photo option, which was not there before we liked that page. It will automatically take you to your to your portrait photos. Let's say I'll select this portrait photo. You can see it's starting to create a photo. It's going to take, gonna be created. Okay, let's try a different one. Let's say this one. All right, and you can see it created a 3D photo. It takes just a couple seconds. You hit next, and we're here, and we can post this photograph. Let me say, me in 3D in Seattle. All right, and I am excited about it. And we hit share, and we can also add it to a story. Takes a couple seconds. And here we have it. Here is the 3D photo that we just created. All right, guys, thank you for watching. This has been a quick and easy tutorial on how to create and post 3D photos on Facebook.